Apples, but not like just any other. These small but juicy apples are red all the way through. They're not the only apples of this kind in the world, or the first ever found for that matter, but there's something special about the apples that grow in Bekran, a small village in the central province of Semnan and known in this region as the red gold of Bekran. Apples like this can also be found in wild apple forests in Kazakhstan.
But I was told that these red-fleshed apples don't taste very well, so I came all the way up here to Bekran to taste them myself. And it tastes great. You have to try it.
This is the red-fleshed apple of Bekran. They are known in the region as Bekran's red apples. We don't have like this in the rest, and people live here have always grown in their orchards.
The average apple yield per tree is about 150 kilograms. They are very tasty, and we usually sell part of our produce in cities nearby. What's interesting is that the wood and even the roots of the tree is red, and as a farmer, what makes me happy is the fact that this tree has absolutely no pests and diseases.
We still need to study this variety more to find out about the properties of this variety and its fruits. The Biotechnology Institute in Karaj will soon be giving us the results.
They say 1 apple a day keeps the doctor away. But what about these special apples?
Over the years that I have worked here, and by studying the patient's medical records, I have realized that in this region there has been only 1 case of cancer, and there are only a few cases of high blood pressure, which could be due to the high level of antioxidants in this apple.
These apples are the main part of the people's diet in Bekran. They are picked in July, sun-dried, and used in main and side dishes. Of course, the sweet and sour tasty jam is omnipresent.